Hey guys, how you doing today? Don't mind my workstation. I have been repotting some plants, but I thought you guys might be interested in this here plant. This is my black pagoda lipstick plant, and you can see this has really beautiful coloring on the backs of the leaves are just absolutely gorgeous. See here, I'm trying to get one up without breaking it so you can see the beautiful color. I love this plant. It is so gorgeous. And right now she is flowering. I don't know if you guys can see. See all the little flowers on it? Some of them are gone. And they're not really like a whole lot to talk about. You can see one right there. But I need to repot her. I've had her for a couple of years now, and she has been in this pot ever since I got her. And she really needs to be in a little bit bigger pot. So that is what I want to do today. I'm just cleaning up some of the dry flowers that I'm seeing. I'm sure I'll see more. But I'm just now starting to see some roots come out of the bottom of this pot. So I am going to put her into this one. This is the pot I'm going to be putting her into today. It's a little bit bigger. And she is going to like this pot a whole lot better. So I am going to get some of this here dead stuff off of her. And I just watered her a couple of days ago, probably about 3 days ago, so she should slip out of here really nicely. Here she comes. She wasn't as root bound as I thought, but she does have some roots. Oh, that was a good guess. Picking out some more of her dead stuff here. And I'm just going to put the soil back in. It smells good. There's nothing wrong with it. So I am going to keep her in this, and then I'm just going to add fresh soil to it. And this is just a really light, airy soil that I'm using, just like I do with all my, pretty much all my plants. It's just regular potting soil, and then I add a lot of extra perlite to it for good aeration, and that's all I use. It does have also worm castings, and I just love this plant. It is so pretty. And I treat the lipstick plant, I treat it just like I do a Hoya, which is as bright light as I can get it, and I let it dry pretty much all the way down before I water her again. And she has grown a lot for me since I've had her. I think she came in a 3 or 4 inch pot, and then I put her into a 6 inch pot, and I think this is an 8 inch pot. I'm not positive. So yeah, just really bright sun, or bright light, I mean. Not sun, because it would probably burn it. And let her dry all the way down practically before I water her again. I keep her in a west window is where she hangs. And in the summertime she was out on my front porch, and she loved being out there. She was kind of in a west facing area on my porch. And then the only food that I give her is worm castings and fish fertilizer. And I could kind of tell she needed to be repotted, or I thought she needed to be repotted because it seemed like I was actually watering her a little bit more here lately. She wasn't root bound, but I do think she'll be much happier. There I broke a leaf, and you can see how pretty the coloration is on the back of these leaves. She needs to have a bath. She needs a good spray down. So what I'll do after I get done repotting her, I'll go in, spray all of her leaves off, and then I'll spray her down with my neem oil as a bug preventative, and it will also shine the leaves up. But this is the only lipstick plant that I have, and I absolutely love this plant. She is just so pretty. And you can see how when the new leaves come out, they're kind of small, but they get bigger and bigger and bigger, kind of like some of the Hoyas do. So that is really all there is to it, guys. Bright light. Water her when she gets almost dried out. And she makes these weird little flowers. Like I said, not a lot to really talk about. They kind of remind me, like on most plants that flower, they kind of remind you of a little orchid, some kind of a little orchid flower. Let's see if I can get one. Up here. They're cute, but not a lot to really write home about, so to speak. But very cute little plant, and I'm glad I have her in my collection. There, I just broke another leaf. I snapped it. That one you can see really well, the color on it. So that is it, guys, on this here plant. And bright light, and she does really, really well. She's all the new growth coming out. It kind of stands straight up, and then it will just kind of lay down. Beautiful, beautiful little plant. And that is it on the care and the repotting. And I will let you go and talk to you guys later. You have a good day. Bye. Oh, and happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is coming quickly. I hope everybody enjoys their Thanksgiving and don't eat too much. Okay, bye guys. Peace.